Ang unusual ay appetizer pa lang. And unusual is the perfect start for the prosecution pagdating sa confidential funds. We will let the evidence lead the court to a finding of betrayal of public trust and culpable violation of the Constitution in the coming trial days. So sa palagay namin, mahusay na simula ito, na sa simula't simula pa lang, ang mga bangko na pinaggalingan ng 612.5 million na cash ay unusual. And like I said, unusual is the perfect start for confidential funds.
Dadagdagan ko lang, no, yung word na dinescribe ng dalawang witness natin. Hindi lang yung amount ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, pero yung paraan kung paano ito ginamit at paano to in-encash. Usually kasi, sa mga transaction, meron talagang account ang bawat gobyerno. Ito kasi hindi account eh. Talagang, ang purpose lang nila ay in-cash yung pondo. No? Yung 612.5 million pesos. Pangalawa, mukhang may calendar eh. Mukhang nakakalendar. Kung titingnan nyo at mapapansin nyo, pinakinggan nyo yung tanong ni Senator Judge Panfilo Pinglacson, ang tanong niya is, mayroon ba kayong ipapresent na competent witness na parte sa intelligence community? Kasi normally, being a former investigator himself, ang confidential or intelligence funds, hindi mo talaga ma-predict yan kung kailan yung kailangan eh. Depending on kung ano yung naging development or flow kung gumagawa kayo ng mga intelligence events or gatherings of intelligence, para for intelligence report. Kumbaga na outside of the realm of possibility, naging predictability na siya to a point that yung pagkakalendar ng every quarterly with a specific amount, mukhang makikita yung pattern at the manner by which it was released na there's really that intent to really utilize these funds for the whole year na ma-zero. So, ibig sabihin, yung mismong way of using the confidential funds ay mukhang of suspect na siya. No? At nasabi naman din nung dalawang branch managers na unusual yung amount na yon. Remember, babalikan po natin, ito pong pondo na ito ay hindi nakadeposit sa isang account, marahil ito ay paraan kung paano ito i-encash from a check, diretso, same date, 2 days before the encashment, sinabihan na yung branch ng Land Bank na ito yung pangalan na pupunta at dito nyo i-encash. Ibig sabihin, meron na silang sistema kung paano i-use up itong confidential funds na base doon sa flow ng releases ay parang nakakalendar at parang may cadence, no? Every quarterly.